Hey, yo, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Prince, and I was bringing another tutorial. So let's get started. Today, I'm gonna be talking about the 3D effect tutorial, kind of like thingy. It's not really an effect, but more like how you make a stick figure. Let me show you what I'm talking about. It involves smart stretch, so be aware of that. So yeah, let's get started. So as you can see, I have my ring sword right here, and it turns. All right. And it's not just turning anyway. No, no, no. It really depends on where you put the first node where you want it to stretch from. Now this one has no smart stretch at all. It's just the original ring sword. Now this one is the ring blade, which has smart stretch right on it. See, it stretches like that. And I'm just gonna display all these real quick before I get into my tutorial. All right. And I know my voice sounds different now. It's because I'm up before it was like 8 o'clock in the morning and stuff. But yeah, so this one, it would be like, so I got one more to display. It's the fourth one. And this one I believe is going to go, yeah, like that. So let's get started. Alright, let's see what this ring blade is about. It's 72 nodes. And it wasn't hard to make at all. So let's get into it. Alright. So I did create the ring blade from scratch, but if you see a sword or a weapon you like, and you're wondering what it looks like with smart stretch, all you need to do, let's go with this epic sword. Alright. So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to see all of the nodes in the order that they were placed, but this is not always true, so you might have to delete some nodes to see what happens. Alright, I'm not using the best example, but yeah, let's see. Okay, so our first one is about right here, so if I want to delete that, I'll delete all of the other. Alright, so once you found the first node, which is 52 for this one, what you're going to want to do is press copy, segment, and children. Alright, then you can delete. And I think they use polyfill, so let me see. It's 256. Okay, so what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna go like this. Alright, create one node and make it smart stretch. And yeah, make the segment scale 0. Then what you're gonna want to do is go like that and go to not static and make sure everything is stretchy. So then you're gonna want to paste all the stick figures and go to modify and select stretchy and static. Alright. Now I'm not even gonna test it. I just gonna see if it works. Oh. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it should work. As long okay, so this is what you get. It's not always gonna look good, to be honest with you guys. But as you can see, it is stretching and stuff. But that was not the best example to use. Now you can even do this with stick figures and stuff. But yeah, so let me show you the ring sword. I don't know, let me see if I can find a different example. If you want to create something from scratch, just do the same thing, but this is my fencing sword I created. And I believe it has polyfill. Now, polyfill stuff is not the best example to use, but it will do. So you go to modify, static, stretchy, and then what you're going to want to do is go to copy, segment, and children, and delete. Okay, then go like that. Make this 0. Make this stretchy, and don't make this don't make it static. Saying like you can have the one that isn't static and stretchy. Smart stretch node right here, and it will give you a different. And polyfill. I think I might speed this up when I edit it, but just hang with me for a second. It's not much polyfill, but it is quite a bit. Finish. And I think it would look cooler if it was sped up. Finish. I'm probably gonna speed this up, so my voice is probably gonna be like, yeah. So today I feel like I'm in a pretty good mood, so I think this is gonna be my last tutorial of the day, but I'm pretty sure, not positive, quite for sure, but I'm pretty sure I'll post a video of the animation that's inspired by Goku Anims, the black versus white fight. It's gonna be pretty epic in my head, but I mean, I'm not the best animator, so we'll see where it goes. So here's my fencing sword, and here's a mistake that you don't want to make. You see this? That ruins the smart stretch. So what you're gonna want to do is, if you ever do that, okay, so go to show non-static nodes right here. All right, I'm gonna be more descriptive real quick. Brush. No, I don't want the trial. Yeah, okay, hold up. Brush. Okay, so I guess I can't use it anymore because it's done, but anyways, so yeah. In the upper right hand corner, you can press this and it will show you either all or only the ones you can move. And I didn't do the best at the polyfill. Alright, so it is kind of messed up. But this would be like a forward swipe or something. I'm not sure, but yeah. So here is the smart stretch tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, subscribe, and please leave me your feedback and stuff. I know this wasn't the best example to use, but it still works. So I just wanted to help you guys out. This also works with not only weapons, but characters too. So yeah, just make sure to like, subscribe, and I am out.